have actually got Vishnu. In our life, anyway, I was talking about energy and I started talking, that's a different topic, but there is a Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh in each one of our life. Whether it is Christianity or whether it is Islam, we have all these three things there. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh is in Hinduism, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh is in Christianity, which is God the Father, Son and Soul. In Islam, the names are different, but it is there. And it is all energy. What is Vishnu energy? It's all about heart. What is Brahma energy? Can anyone tell? Intelligence. Okay. And what is the Shiva energy? Destruction of evil or the power. So these three energies are there. We'll not talk about those energies, but let's see how it can work. This activation can actually make our energy body automatically big. So whenever you actually want to know, what happens now while you are going to office and somebody hits your car and you feel bad, and then after that one more thing happens, and then one more thing happens, and then one more thing happens. Kya hota hai? But again, if something has happened, how you can change? The whole idea is how to change the situation. We cannot continue with that same bad thing throughout, no? So what we have to do is change. So we need to activate and then move forward. This is what I was sharing about the energy body, how it can make a difference, and obviously an energy body which is very, I think we are running. So why do we need energy in our body? Same way as the mobile phones need. There is one more technique, which is the last technique, which is I'm going to share with you, is your tongue to palate. Maybe I have shared with some of you earlier also. When this energy body is not connected at this portion. So whenever we are going to meet one of our clients, just be aware that your tongue is attached to your palate for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you see your energy body actually growing, and when you go and meet your client, your energy body is big, it is more powerful, and it is able to convince your clients in a better way. Tongue to the palate. जीभ के एंड को आप अपने तलवे पे लगाते हैं. There is a full day workshop which I conduct on energy consciousness. I think you did know once. Yeah. So this is all about just increasing. So once you touch, this is the only part which is not connected. Only the tip. You have done it and your energy body is complete. Cut. And once this is done, in 2-3 minutes, automatically it strengthens. So with this, we will end the session because we have a lot of excitement throughout the day, and for the people who will be coming for skits in this room, we will be waiting for them. The next session in this room is about a motivational speaker who has come from Trivandrum, and he will be sharing, and he is a blind man. He is Saji Matthews, which our host will share about him. And in the other room, we will have a session which is on technology, and a lot of stalwarts will be talking. So based on that, we all can move to separate rooms or wherever we wish to go. So thank you very much. Can we all applaud for each one of our presence in this room? Thank you.
Okay. So you have to spare me 2-3 minutes more because we are looking for the judge. Because I know they are the best person to introduce them. I will call Mr. Sadiq to come to the stage. Yeah. Excuse me. Sprays ki Levi's jeans, polo t-shirt and Reebok shoes. These are the things which can be not a daily routine for us to follow, but these are the things through which we can acquainted with the person ki जिसको हम आगे हमारे I mean कुछ वो होता है ना कि I will follow him, हमारा motivator, हमारा spiritual. Anyway, I will not take much of your time. I will ask Matthew to take us through his experience and his he can enlighten us with knowledge, whatever he has. Okay. Thank you.
Some mic.
Mic is.
Is it okay? Oh,
This is the audio.
okay, fine. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. खाना क्या यार, खाना नहीं खिलाया इन लोगों को? Good morning. दम नहीं है यार, come on. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, that's it. Well, I'm really overwhelmed by my welcome and I'm overflowed with my emotions, you know. I've been asked to introduce myself. I'm not going to do so. Because you would be able to understand once I complete my 45 minutes of talk. You will be able to understand more about me, more about my work and how I do. So let's straight jump into the session. Are you ready? Yes. You know, one day, my little daughter, she came to me looking at a hopping frog. She asked me, Dad, why don't frogs have wings? Why did God not create wings to the frog? You know, if frog had wings, it wouldn't have bumped or that bump while it jumped, right? It would have flown. हमारी जिंदगी में कई बार ऐसी सिचुएशन आते हैं जहां पे हम लोग चाहते हैं कि हम लोगों को कुछ ऐसी बातें रहे जिससे हम अपनी जिंदगियों में ऐसी बातें ना रहे जो हमारी जिंदगियों में होती है, लेकिन हमारी जिंदगी में ऊपर वाला हमें उस परिस्थितियों पे लेकर के जाता है. In 2000, September 4th was a very special day for me. It was a special because that day I joined my company as a software professional. It was a day which was my first job. A very premier multinational company in Chennai. 16 दूसरे जो मेरे साथ थे, उन 16 लोगों के साथ हमें पहले दिन में I mean everyone is comfortable in English or Hindi or both. मलयालम भी चलेगा यार. आर इंग्लैंड मलयालम मलयालम perfectly fine. I'll do that. So it was a day one in my life in the company. 16 लोगों के साथ मुझे भी ओरिएंटेशन दिया गया. I was in a company which was one of a very prestigious multinational company in IT. They gave me 2 envelopes to decide the base. Where do I want my base to be? I opened the first. I was excited. They had asked me to choose to take the base in Singapore. With a good package, with a good career in front of me, I was excited. दूसरा एनवलप खोला. दूसरा एनवलप खोलते ही मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं कहीं दिन में सपना तो नहीं देख रहा हूं. Because the company had asked me to take a base in Helsinki, Finland. My memory went back to my childhood. I was born in Chhattisgarh. a remote village in district Basta. The last bus stop was almost, not the last, the nearest bus stop was almost 20-22 kilometers from my village. हमने कभी क्रिकेट नहीं खेला, हम पेड़ में चढ़ करके जंप मारना बहुत अच्छे से जानते थे। मेरा स्कूल फुल्ली एयर कंडीशन होता था क्योंकि उसमें दरवाजे और खिड़की होते ही नहीं थे। We used to walk approx 3 to 5 kilometers, but it was fun. One day evening, me and my friends, we were sitting in the open sky in the field. We saw aeroplane flying on the sky. मैं अपने दोस्तों को बोला एक दिन मैं उसमें बैठूंगा, एक दिन मैं पूरी दुनिया में घूम घूम के अपनी लाइफ जीऊंगा। They made fun of me, but I was determined because my village had taught me to be determined. My villagers had taught me to be fighter. क्योंकि हमें आए दिन जंगली जानवरों के साथ हाथ मिलाना पड़ता था। That was something, which my village had taught me. I went on in my life. और आज या उस दिन एक ऐसा सिचुएशन था, सितंबर 4, 2000 को, I was just a signature away to take the base outside India. लेकिन सब कुछ होने के बाद शाम को जब मैं ऑफिस से बाहर निकला, I was in second floor, went to my lift, wanted to press the lift button. जब मैं lift button दबाने की कोशिश किया, my finger was not going at the appropriate button. I felt it may be because I was in a, चेन्नई जानते हैं ना, गर्मी जगह है. I thought it may be because the humidity, and I was in the AC the day throughout. उसके कारण होता है अचानक एसी से जब आप बाहर निकले तो एक होती ना तकलीफ. यह सोच करके मैं स्टेयरकेस से नीचे आया. When I reached the staircase, I realized it's not the humid issue. It's not even my body problem. It is my vision which was getting blurred. My bus stop was 10 minutes away from the office. I started walking, having a thought in my mind. चेन्नई में शंका नेत्रालय वर्ल्ड का वन ऑफ द बेस्ट आई हॉस्पिटल. जाऊंगा, चेक करवाऊंगा, and I would continue my IT profession. But as I was taking every step, I was losing my vision. 5 मिनट के वॉक होते आधा रास्ता जब मैं पहुंच चुका था, I was in a situations where I thought, no, कल नहीं जाना यार, आज ही चलना चाहिए हॉस्पिटल. Because I was losing my vision every step. जब मैं बस स्टॉप पे पहुंचा, I realized, hey, I can't see the bus boards. I hardly could see the, bus structure. I wanted to take the help. लेकिन होता ये है ना, हम शक्ल से ही चोर दिखाई देते हैं, अमरीशपुरी दिखाई देते हैं. I went for asking help. People thought I am making fun of them. I was scared, standing in the busiest Mount Road in Chennai. I screamed, I yelled for help. There was one gentleman. He came forward, got me a cab, went home, convinced my uncle, went to the doctor in Shankar Netralaya. They put 2 patches, they put drops in my eyes, patched my eyes, and asked me to get myself admitted next day so that they can operate my eyes. I went back home with the patches in my eyes, had my dinner, had my shower, came on my bed. और जैसा मैं हमेशा करता था, मैं अपने बेड में आके दुआ किया और मैंने परमेश्वर से पूछा, गॉड वेयर आर यू? कहां हैं आप? आर यू इन कंट्रोल? वेयर आर यू? मेरे सामने चमकने वाला होता है ना, कैरियर सामने है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करनी थी, बट आई एम अ सिचुएशन which is absolutely blank. I have no idea what's going to be. Then a verse came in my mind from my favorite book, Bible, which says, all things work together for those who love God. I started pondering my thoughts upon those statements. All things. All means all. It's not all minus blindness. I was sure because I loved God. I had a faith in Him. I was sure He's going to lift me up. He's going to take me up. I was confident. I got my confidence back. I went on with my smile. Next day to the doctor, got myself operated. Doctor told me that I may be regaining my vision within 60 days. Unfortunately, again, there was some development which was not in favor of my restoration of my vision. There is something called inflammation in my optic nerve. To summarize, I lost my vision forever. 3 years, 3.5 years, I was in and out of the hospitals. You name it, you name any treatment, I have done it. You know, allopathy, homeopathy, naturopathy, patni ka pati bas nahi kiya maine. You know, all the patis, you know. But there was a craze in my life. That is, that why did God make me blind?